Welcome to the Livestock Information Service, also known as LIS, the digital platform for reporting movements of sheep, goat and deer online. In this video, I will guide you through how to accept livestock movements from a market. When you purchase new animals, sheep, goat or deer, for your holding at a market, the market will record the individual ID of each animal and report the movement from the market to your holding using their preferred market software. The market move will then be sent to LIS, and a notification of the movement will be made available on your LIS account for you to view, amend, accept or reject. Choosing to accept a notification of a market move onto your holding will complete the movement online. You will no longer be required to return the paper movement document for this specific movement, saving you time and the cost of postage. When you sign in to your LIS account, you will see the home page, which will show you all of your holdings. A notifications message will display, showing you the total number of notifications requiring attention for all of your holdings. Click the holding you want to view and select the desired species. The holding summary will show a table of all your notifications. To view a notification, select the desired row from the table. You will then see the movement notification page. The option to accept the movement will be visible at the bottom of the page. For movements off your holding, the Accept Movement button will be available to select. For movements onto your holding, you will not be able to select the Accept Movement button until you enter an arrival date in the relevant field. The arrival date must be within 2 days of the departure date. Before selecting the Accept Movement button to confirm the movement, it is important that you check all the information is accurate, ensuring that it contains both the correct number of animals and the correct tag numbers. Any inconsistencies must be corrected before choosing to accept the movement. You can amend a movement notification and add, remove or replace animals within the movement. To include additional animals, you can add individual tag numbers in the text field provided. Once you have made any necessary changes to the movement, select the Submit Amended Movement button. If you receive a movement notification that is unexpected or inaccurate, for example, if the movement has the wrong destination or departure holding, or the departure date is incorrect, please contact the LIS support team. If you encounter any problems whilst trying to accept a market movement, please contact the LIS support team. Join the digital movement and play your part in building resilience in our industry.